The Transmission Control Module, or TCM, in your Ford Focus manages gear shifts and learns your driving habits. Resetting the TCM can resolve common issues like harsh shifts, delayed engagement, or a check engine light caused by corrupted data, battery disconnects, or solenoid failures. Common reasons to reset include harsh shifts, delayed engagement, check engine lights, and problems from corrupted data, battery disconnects, or solenoid failures. You should reset the TCM after repairs or fluid changes, or when fault codes like P0700 appear. For 2012-2016 models with PowerShift transmission, resets are frequently needed. Newer 2020 Plus models may receive over-the-air updates for TCM recalibration, reducing manual resets. Ford has issued multiple technical service bulletins in 2024-2025 addressing TCM faults and software glitches. Experts emphasize that TCM resets are effective for 70 to 80% of minor issues. There are a couple of ways to perform a reset. For a basic reset, turn the key to the on position for 3 to 5 seconds without starting the engine. This can clear minor glitches. An advanced relearn requires an OBD2 scanner and Ford-specific software like ForScan. Use the scanner to clear existing TCM data. Then, perform a 10 to 20 minute drive cycle, allowing the TCM to relearn your driving patterns. Improper resets can worsen wear. Always follow manufacturer guidelines to prevent transmission damage. As of 2025, AI-assisted OBD2 scanners are also available for faster fault detection and guided resets.